Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. I have another update in the Partners in Cream Project Pan that was created by Steph DaLin. I'll have both of their channels linked down below, as well as all of the other information for this project, the playlist, etc. There are so many other people participating in this project, so if you're interested in binge watching, make sure you check the description box. If you are just finding this project for the first time, the whole idea about this project is just to focus on our cream and liquid products, which are typically the makeup products within our collection that go bad the quickest. Usually, most people are choosing anywhere between 4 to 6 products. I do have 6 products to update you guys on. I don't have anything that will be rolling out, but I do have some progress, and I'm thinking we'll have some rollouts next update. So if you're interested in seeing my progress, stay tuned. First, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project panning content, or you just like to chit chat about makeup, I would love for you to consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into this update. Okay, I did only like cream products on my face, and I always feel like my face just does not have dimension when I do that, but we're going to the beach right after this, so I'm literally just taking my makeup off. All right, let's jump into my progress. Let me grab my notebook with my weight changes. So we can start with the one product that has remained in this project since the introduction, and it is my Kaja Earhart lipstick. So there was a lot of product when we first started, and I am like happy, you could say, with like my line markings. Like I can tell that progress has been made. This weighed 14 grams last update and it weighs 13 grams now, so there was 1 gram worth of movement. I just feel like this is taking forever, and I measured the amount of product that I have left to like my progress lines, and essentially this amount of product is about the amount of product that I've used since rolling this into the project. So that being said, if I continue at this rate, I won't even finish this lipstick this year, which I really want to do. So I need to pick up the speed on this a little bit and remember to use it a little bit more frequently. Next up, we have the least exciting progress of the entire update, because I have not used this a single time. This is my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Prickly Pear. I have just been rotating through my entire ColourPop Super Shock collection, trying to hit pan on every single shade, and I was just lazy and did not reach for this. I totally forgot about this, so hopefully I can remember to use this, and it's typically pretty easy to hit pan on the Super Shock Shadows. Using them up is a whole nother story, but this weighed 15 grams last update, and it obviously still weighs 15 grams. Next up, I've also been rotating through all of my Fenty Gloss Bombs, and this was the one that I rolled in last update. This is in the shade Ruby Milk, and I used this a few times, but I also randomly generated a different Fenty Gloss Bomb into my whole collection project pan, and I was focused on finishing that up, so now I can kind of shift my attention back to this product, and I'm pretty confident I'll have this out by the next update, if not the update after that. I did still use a gram worth of product. This weighed 25 grams last update, and it is currently weighing 24 grams. It is a really beautiful, I'll just top some on top of, it's like a completely different shade than what I'm wearing, but it's more sheer than it appears in the actual tube, and it's a really beautiful shade for August in my opinion. So I'm sure I'll get a ton of use out of this, and hopefully with consistent use, I can usually, like very consistent use with multiple reapplies during the day, I can usually finish these up in like a month and a half, so we'll see about that. Then next I have my First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Primer. This has been in for a couple of months now. When we rolled it in, I was right up here, and then I think an air bubble finally came out. That's why we saw so much movement from this update to this update, and now from last update to now, not too much progress. I still saw 5 grams worth of weight change. So this was 34 grams last update, and it is weighing 29 grams now. I probably have 2 to 3 months left with this. It's not something I wear every single day, and I used to wear this all over my face, but now I've kind of just been centering it in like my nose area and sometimes on my forehead, and I've been opting for a gripping primer for the rest of my face, so I just haven't been using as much of this. Still confident I will finish this by the end of the year, and it'll be exciting to get a primer out of my collection. The last 2 products are really exciting progress, and I think for sure this one is going to be a rollout next update. This is my Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Dewy Color in this shade Sweet Peach Peony, and this is all that I have left. This is something that, this is obviously just a mini, but it's such a beautiful shade. I actually have this on my cheeks today. I've been wearing this all July long and been loving it. I usually just use it as a cheek product. I don't actually use it on my face, but you'll be able to see pretty significant line movements, at least for like a dewy blush, and or a cream blush. And I've been really enjoying this. I am very confident I will finish this up by the next update, which is exciting to have another rollout. And then last update, I also rolled in my Tarte. Oh, I forgot to mention, the Nude Sticks Nudies weighed 8 grams. Last update, and it is weighing 7 grams now. And then I rolled in my Tarte Sea Breezy Bronzer last update with the goal to hit pan, which I have done. And instead of rolling this out, I am just going to try and finish this bronzer off. So this actually didn't change any in weight. It weighed 22 grams last update. It's weighing 22 grams now. I do have this on as my bronzer today. And because of the way that I use this bronzer, it's very thin, pretty much all around the edges. So I feel like with a couple months of use, I could finish this bronzer off. And I don't see myself finishing any other bronzers this year, whether it be powder, cream, or liquid. So that is why I just want to keep this in, kind of track my progress, see how long it truly takes me from when I roll this in to finish it up. I'm very curious about how many more uses I will still have with this. And I do kind of want to have one bronzer empty this year, because every year I've had at least 1 or 2 bronzer empties, so I gotta have at least one. So I'm going to keep this in hopes that I can finish this up by the end of the year. But those are my 6 products and my progress on the products in this project. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what cream and liquid products you are currently working on finishing up. What are some of your favorites? Just let's chat about cream and liquid products in the comments below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.